Elizabeth with Country Peony, and I love to go thrifting. I love showcasing my thrifting adventures about once a week on my social media channels. There's just something so much fun about the thrill of the hunt and finding something that helps tell your home's unique story. I love thrifting so much that I have my own online vintage shop called Country Peony Vintage. And the number one question that I get from readers is, how do I clean my thrifted finds? And so I wanted to take you through that process today to show you how I clean my thrifted finds, whether that's a basket, a quilt, or brass. So I hope this helps you if you love to go thrifting or if you're new on your thrifting adventures. So much for following along today, guys. I hope this helps you on your thrifting adventures. If you want to see simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com. And if you want to shop my thrifted finds, you can always check me out at Country Peony Vintage, my online vintage store. Until next time, happy crafting.